All right, let's talk about rescuing our digital past. You know what I mean? Those greeny family photos, those pixelated memories that are just kind of trapped on old hard drives. Well, today, we're going to figure out how to bring them back to life. I mean, we've all been there, right? You find this photo that means the world to you, but it's way too small to print, it's too blurry to share, or it's got all this digital noise and scratches on it, and it's just so frustrating knowing that a great memory is stuck inside a really bad file. But what if I told you the tool to fix all this comes from a name that might just transport you back to the early 2000s? You know, a time of dial-up internet and stacks of shiny disks? That's right, we're talking about Nero. Now, if you're of a certain age, you'll definitely remember Nero burning ROM. It was the absolute go-to software for making CDs and DVDs. Well, the German company behind it has made a huge pivot, moving away from burning disks and jumping right into sharpening pixels with artificial intelligence. So, how in the world did a company known for CD burning get into AI? And maybe more importantly, what exactly is Nero AI? Let's break it down. So first things first, Nero AI isn't one single program, and it is definitely not a chatbot like ChatGPT that you talk to. The best way to think about it is like a digital workshop. It's a whole suite of specialized tools all designed to fix, improve, and organize your media using the power of AI. The whole suite is basically broken down into three main parts. You've got AI content generation for creating new images and AI media organization to help sort through your photo library. But today, we're really going to focus on the star of the show, AI image enhancement. This is the part that's all about rescuing and improving the photos you already have. And this is where the magic really happens. The tool that most people are looking for can take a tiny pixelated image and blow it up by 400%. Now, it's not just stretching the pixels. That would look awful. Instead, the AI has been trained on millions of images. It actually understands what a face or a tree is supposed to look like, so it intelligently recreates the missing details, adding brand new, realistic pixels where there used to be just a blur. It's pretty incredible. So, what's it actually like to use this thing? Is it some super complicated process for tech wizards? No, not at all. Let's see how you can take a photo from blurry to brilliant in just a few clicks. The whole process is incredibly simple. You just upload your image, you can literally drag and drop it. Then you pick the right AI model. For example, you'd pick face enhancement if you're working on a portrait. You hit the start button, and you just let the AI do all the heavy lifting. In seconds, you can download a version of your photo that is clearer and way more detailed than you probably thought was possible. Okay, so with any new tool like this, there are always two big questions that pop up, right? How much is this going to cost me? And is it safe to use with my personal photos? Let's tackle both of those head on. When it comes to pricing, Nero gives you a few different options. You can use their web tool and just buy packs of credits as you go, sort of a pay-as-you-go model. Or you can get the full desktop software, either with a yearly subscription that keeps everything updated, or you can just buy it once with a one-time purchase. It really just depends on how often you think you're going to use it. Now, let's talk about privacy, because this is a huge deal. Nero is a German company, which is actually really important. It means they are legally required to operate under the GDPR. That's the General Data Protection Regulation. And that is widely considered to be the toughest, strictest data privacy law on the entire planet, which gives you a really significant layer of protection right out of the gate. And this right here illustrates the single most important choice you can make for your privacy. See, if you use the desktop app, all the AI processing happens right there on your own machine. Your sensitive family photos, they never get uploaded to the internet. They never leave your computer, period. Now, if you use the web tool, you do have to upload your photo to their server. And while they say it's deleted right after, the local option on your desktop is without a doubt the most secure way to go. So, with that in mind, here are just a few practical tips. Always download the software directly from the official Nero.com website. That way you avoid any fake or sketchy versions. And when you're installing it, pay really close attention to the checkboxes. Nero has been known to bundle in extra software, so you'll want to uncheck anything you don't actually want. And finally, it's always a good idea to test any new tool with a non-sensitive photo first, just to be safe. So, after all that, what's the final verdict? Who is this actually for? Is Nero AI the right tool for you? Well, the source material really hits the nail on the head here. It says its core strength lies in image restoration and enhancement. And that's exactly right. While it has other features, this is where the software truly shines. So, this makes it perfect for a few key groups of people. You've got photographers who need to clean up an old shot. You've got family archivists, the person in the family trying to digitize and restore generations of photos. Designers who get low-quality pictures from clients all the time. And really, anyone who has a digital photo collection they want to clean up, organize, and improve. Look, at the end of the day, we all have those photos, those moments frozen in time but trapped by low resolution. The technology to finally set them free is here, and it's way more accessible than ever before. So really, the only question left is, what forgotten memory in your camera roll are you going to bring back to life first?